Hi everyone, today we're going to work on Lincoln MKS. We're going to show you how we're going to add a new key fob to the system. We will also show you where is the coding slot, which many people don't know. This is very important to program new key fobs, adding key fobs, and in case your battery dies, this is where you should put the key fob to start the vehicle. So very important. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.
Hello everybody, we're currently working on the Lincoln MKS. We are going to program another key for the vehicle. We are using our scanner here to go into the vehicle's computer. And we're going to do an add key procedure. We're hooked into the OBD down there. Lincoln MKS 2013 to 16 smart key. Control unit, we're going to do the keyless system, key learning, add smart key. Turn the ignition on. Since we have a working key, we're going to just turn it on. Press twice. And we have the new key right here in the slots. So a lot of people don't know about the slot for the Lincoln MKS. That is the programming slot, and also is the slot if your battery dies in the proximity remote and you cannot push to start the vehicle. It tells you no fob detected. That's because it's not reading the chip in your key because there's no battery to send the signal. You would simply put it right there, the way it is right now, face, head first. And that's how the car will get a signal to ignite and start. So right now this procedure takes 10 minutes. We're gonna wait for it to go through. And the key should be programmed, no problems. So this is how you program a key for any kind of Lincoln that uses these style keys. Thanks for watching, guys.